welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Chetna, and it would mean the world to me if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below. So as the title reads, I'm going to be sharing my product entries today. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. First product I have is the Body Shop's Banana Truly Nourishing Shampoo. Yes, it is a truly nourishing shampoo, and I just love this shampoo because it did not leave my hair dry. I have dry and frizzy hair. After using this shampoo, my hair has become soft and smooth, and it is frizz free now. And it is a very good shampoo. And speaking about the fragrance, it has that banana fragrance, banana fragrance. And people with a very dry and frizzy hair, please give it a try. It is a very good shampoo. Next I have is the Body Shop's Ginger Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This is a very good dandruff shampoo. Previously I had flaky scalp. After this using this shampoo, my scalp is dandruff free. It is a very good shampoo which really combats your dandruff. There's one issue I had with this. That the thing is that it left my hair dry, which I did not like it. That is the reason I did not like it. But otherwise it is a very good shampoo. Next I have is Bath & Body Works Sahiti Pink Lily and Bamboo Fragrance Mist. This is a very good body mist which has floral smell. And speaking about the it stays for a long time. It is a very good mist. It has floral notes in it. And yes, I love this. I love this a lot, and I will repurchase it. Next I have is Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Hard Water. I don't think so I have to speak anything about this. This is a very good product. It just gives you that hydration, and plus it also suits me a lot because I have sensitive combination sensitive skin, which is why I just love this, because it suited me very well. It did not have any reaction on my face. That is why I love this, and yes, I will repurchase it. Next I have is Kama Ayurveda's Pure Rose Water. This is a very good toner. I use this as a toner and I just love this. It just hydrates your face and gives you that pink glow. That's why I love this, and yes, I will definitely repurchase. I have already repurchased, and yes, I'll be purchasing this only. Every time I will be using this only. Next I have is Kama Ayurveda Rose Jasmine Face Cleanser with pure essential oils of rose and jasmine. This is a very good mild cleanser which does not strip away your natural oils, but still gives your face that squeaky clean, but still it cleanses your face very perfectly. That is why I love this face wash. This is a very good face wash. As you can see, I have finished up 2 bottles, which means I love a lot. I love this face wash a lot. Next I have is the Face Shop's Rice Water Bright Cleanser. This is a very good cleanser which does not dry your face and removes all the impurities from your face without drying. So that is why I will repurchase. Yes, sometime in future I will repurchase. And the next product I have is the Body Shop Strawberry Lip Butter. This is a very good lip butter. I just go to this during winters. It just smells strawberry. It has a good strawberry smell. It does not has any color in it. It's just transparent like butter, but it hydrates your lips. It gives you that hydration. Next I have is the Body Shop's Strawberry Softening Body Butter. This, as you can see, this is a very good body butter, and I just love the fragrance. It stays for a long time, and it also nourishes your body. During winters I go for this. Next I have is Biotics Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. This is a very good moisturizer. As you can see, when I use curly hair, and I'm still using it. I just love this moisturizer, and it is a very good moisturizer at an affordable price. And yes, I will repurchase it. Next I have is the Simple Sensitive Skin Kind 2 Skin Micellar Cleansing Water. Hydrates and gently remove makeup. Yes, it does hydrates and gently removes your makeup. I love this thing because I had used Garnier Micellar Water, which I don't know, it did not suit my skin because of my sensitive skin. But this is a very good makeup remover which removes your makeup and hydrates at the same time, and it is suited best, and it suits for sensitive skin like mine. Next I have is this Colorbar acetone free nail remover. I just love this nail remover just because it does not dry my nails, and it's acetone free. Then I have is the Body Shop's strawberry body mist. This is a very good body mist. It has that strawberry smell, but it does not stays for a long time. It just stays for 4 to 6 hours, which is a good thing. That is more than enough. I just love that. Will not repurchase it because I already have it. Next I have is the Body Shop's Japanese Cherry Blossom Mist. This is a very good mist. This does stay for a long time compared to the strawberry one. It has a very good smell. Rexona Freshly Whitening Roll-On. This is a very good roll-on. It stays for more than 12 hours, and I just love this because it has a very good fresh smell, and yes, it is safe on skin and alcohol free. Next I have is Kama Ayurveda's Pure Neroli Water. It is their latest recently launched product, and I just love this. But only thing is, it does not suit my skin because I have sensitive skin. I don't know why. After using this, I just get some tingling sensation on my face. That is why I stopped using this. And I gave it to my sister, and she just loved it. She said she will repurchase it, which means she loves that. I have this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. I just love this eye gel because it removes it gives that it hydrates my eyes, and I just love this. It does not have strong smell. As you can see, I've used it completely. I don't miss anything. Next I have is the Body Shop Ginger Conditioner Scalp Care. Speaking about this is a very good conditioner, but conditioner doesn't suit my hair, so I don't use it. But this is a very good conditioner. You can try this. Bath and Body Works Saltwater Breeze 24-hour Moisturizer Ultra Cream. This has a very good ocean fresh smell, and I just love the smell. Plus it gives you that hydration. And I have another one, Soak in the Sun by Bath and Body Works. This has that peachy citrusy smell in it, and I just love this also. Both I finished up, and yes, I'm going to repurchase it. Another one. If you guys know any smell, if you guys have any suggestions, please do comment down below. We'll give that a try. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If yes, then please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and also comment down below what video you would like to see next. And till then, bye.